run on the Philips BMR, which been programmed up to 4 channels. We're running about 25 watts. And as I say, it's 25 kc spacings on it. But you're putting out a lovely signal. I don't know whereabouts you are. We're about 6 miles south of Gatwick Airport. The Women's Museum here. As I say, you've got quite a nice audio on there, no noise or anything.
Roger, looks like Mike Romeo Bravo. Let me give you some details. James Martin, like Alpha Romeo Victor in November, about the Commonwealth. I'm located at the moment on top of Reigate Hill. The car park on Reigate Hill, so and in fact it's not very far away from me, so it should be a pretty good signal. But it's always nice to have somebody on 4 meters to chat to. From out one of our beats.
Yeah, okay, Martin, you find business, no problems. Yes, no wonder you're a good signal. Yeah, the other station I worked this morning was Golf Zero Alpha United. The team is located in Hammond Heath, which is just down the bottom of the hill really from us. It's unusual to hear anybody on 4 meters, that's why I came back to you. We are open to the public today at the museum. We just opened Saturdays and Sundays. This is the first Saturday of the new season, and obviously if I get too many people coming to the shack I'll have to drop it, but we use the amateur radio to demonstrate radios. We've got quite a few World War II radio receivers up and running, the old ones, and a couple of transmitters, and quite a bit of work in progress. Having a few problems at the moment. We had 2 power supplies go down in the week when we was up here on maintenance. So we've now got to build 2 new power supplies. So it's all good fun. But, as I say, it's just a hobby. And we come up here, man this station now on a Saturday. The museum's open Sundays.